This is the final warning for Ethereum. Yes, today we're going to be talking about ETH price, doing a technical analysis because we should expect a final shakeout in the crypto market. With that said, today we're going to be doing a technical analysis on Ethereum, diving deep into what is next for Ethereum's price. Are we going to hit $500? When is it going to dump? Well, guys, stick around, hit the like button, subscribe. Let's get right into it. So first off, we're going to get right into Ethereum's short-term, price movement. As you guys can see, earlier, a couple days ago, we did form this bull flag on a, downtrend, which is very bearish. But after the news of, Japan banks, well, we did see this little pump, a 5% pump, all the way up to $1,200. But I drew these key resistance we need to be aware of because we can potentially hit them over the weekend into the holidays. Because as I said, during the holidays, not that much stuff happens. It consolidates. So yes, we need to be aware of this. We should see prices between these lines. So don't be scared of it. It happens to pump possibly to 1233 or to 1221, but it did pump all the way up to 1230, and it seems like right here is a strong resistance of 1221. We're creating this rejection right here, as you guys can see, and now we're stuck around 1208. So yes, it did pump short term, nothing bullish. It was just the Japan news. Don't be surprised. Yes, guys. Okay, so that's the short term. Now, moving on to the weekly time frame, we are still in a clear bear market. This right here is the EMA 20, 25, 35, 50, 55. This tells us if we are in a bear market or bull market. As you guys can see, the dark yellow crossed the blue back in May 23rd of 2022. And since then, we have been in a bear market. We got rejected here once, twice, three times, and now the fourth. This is why I'm making this video. You guys need to be aware because there is more, potential that we can see Ethereum dump. Yes, I have some more evidence, guys. Don't worry. If we take a look here, I'm going to take the camera off so you guys can understand. So, right here is the S&P 500. The S&P 500 has a major effect on the crypto market because whatever the S&P 500 does, Bitcoin does. And whatever Bitcoin does, Ethereum does. And also the crypto market does. This is why I'm making this video. Guys, don't be fooled if we see a pump short term. If you look at a broader scope of it, the weekly time frame and daily time frame, we can clearly see what is going on right now. So right here we got rejected once, twice, three, and fourth time. What happens when we got rejected? We saw a dump of 14, 21%, 18, and 21. Well, for the price of Bitcoin, it did dump 35, 63, 24, and now we're waiting for the next one right here, possibly 40% if you round everything up. So if it goes to 40%, it can go to 10,000. A $10,000 Bitcoin price is possible. If this happens, well, we should expect Ethereum to come down to 500. This is more evidence. Look at the bear markets we had the previous times. Back in June of the 18th, 2018, we seen it dump 92%. This one was the COVID of 2020. This is not really that strong because it was unexpected, but it did dump 75%. So if you look at the previous bear market, it did dump 92%. it's at 81% right now from the previous high of 4,886 to now 1,200. So if we have another 10% dump on the monthly time frame, because that's the previous bear market, we're talking about a $400-$500 Ethereum price. That is very possible. This is why I'm making this video, because you guys should be prepared, not scared. There might be a major shakeout. As I said, with this right here, the S&P, we need to watch out, because we got rejected here for the 4th time. And what happens when we get rejected? We dump. So yes, right here we can see a dump. When can this happen? Well, this took around 50 days to occur. So if we take 50 days, it is leading us to the mid-January, to the end, or to the mid-February, around that area of 2023. We can see the bottom for Bitcoin, for the crypto market, for Ethereum. This is why you need to be careful. Don't be fooled. We're still not out of this bear market. And you guys can see right here, it did dump 85%, 83%. And if it is currently sitting around 77%. So if we round that up to 80, 85%, it still has an extra couple percentage to go down. We're talking about a $10,000 Bitcoin. Everything is adding up together. It's making sense right now. For Ethereum, price to dump possibly to $500 if it goes to $10,000 Bitcoin. But let's just say it goes to 14,000. Ethereum should be hitting $600 to $700 price. So I have some more evidence that this is all planned out. You guys need to be aware. And this is the final warning, guys. I'm telling you, this is the final warning for Ethereum. Yes. Well, if you take a look, Bitcoin whales sell off 280,000 Bitcoins, not dollars, Bitcoins. So we're talking billions of dollars in 30 days. They know what they're doing, guys. They're trying to bring the price down to get these cryptos at a discounted price. And they're scaring retail investors like you. Do not be fooled. I'm telling you guys, this is all a plan. They know what they're doing. You gotta think about it. Bitcoin whales own 9,000 Bitcoins. That's almost half the supply of Bitcoin. So yes, they can shake up the market. Also, we have Grayscale. Look at another big investor in Bitcoin is planning to sell off $2 billion worth of GBTC. If you're asking what is GBTC, well, that's Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust. The reason why they have this is to sell it at a cheaper price, a more affordable price. But because the price of Bitcoin is so low, they're losing money. Because as I said, they're selling it at a discounted price. And they're even selling it lower because Bitcoin's price is dropping as we speak. So they are losing money. They are pondering on, on whether to sell their, 20% of their GBTC. We need to be aware of that because that can also shake up the market in the next few months. We need to be aware, guys. We have so much, everything's connected together. All of this. I hope you guys understand. I will be making a video, a more depth video of, Ethereum's next move. If you want to stay up to date with that, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and with that said, peace.